What's going on, guys? It's Chase here. I thought I'd get on here and let you know it's about a month off from turkey season here in Indiana. So I thought I'd put together a little compilation of our best turkey hunts. So that's what this video is. So hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
Yes! Oh my God! Thank God for that other turkey.
Now these are some spurs. Wait, he's good. Good shot, Zan. Way to go. Nice. Yes. Yes. Take any more, I gotta go peek over that hill. Let's go get our bird. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Whew. Here, I gotta get it. Let him come up if he wants to. Yes. That's how we roll, baby. Yes. Woo.
Well, here we are. It's April 23rd, 2008, opening day of turkey season here in Indiana. We got a bird down.